Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I will explain what Tradingview is, and I will give you more information about the different plans that they have available, because Tradingview has a free plan and also a couple of paid options. And in this tutorial, I will explain exactly what plans you have and what the differences are between those options. As you may already know, Tradingview is the world's most used platform to do chart analysis, and it gives you a lot of options. You just go over to tradingview.com, as you can see over here. Then you will see this page, and if you want to get started, you can click on this button over here. Just click on it, and now you can see plans for every level of ambition. They have the Pro plan, the Pro Plus plan, the Premium plan, and they also have a free plan. That's the free basic. And over here you can see the prices for the different plans. So they are set to monthly, and you can also pay annually. So you will pay for 1 year, and then you have a discount included. So if I set it back to monthly, you can see that for the Pro plan, the cost is $14.95 each month. If you go for the Pro Plus plan, then the cost is $29.95, and if you go for the Premium plan, the cost is $59.95 each month. You can try all the plans out for free for 30 days, and after that you can just skip it, or you can decide to choose the plan. And over here you can see for the Pro plan the key benefits that it has to offer. So you can add up to 5 indicators per chart. You have 2 charts in one window. You have 20 server-side alerts that you can set up. It's ad-free. You have volume profile indicators included. You have custom time intervals, multiple enhanced watch list. You can do bar replay on intraday bars, and multi-monitor support in desktop apps. Let me quickly go over to the Pro Plus benefits. You can add up to 10 indicators per chart. You can add 4 charts in one layout. You have 100 server-side alerts, 10 saved charts layouts that you can save, intraday exotic charts, charts based on custom formulas. You have chart data export, and indicators on indicators. So that's another option that you have. And for the last plan, the Premium plan, this is the complete package with 25 indicators per chart, 8 charts in one layout, 400 server-side alerts you can set up, unlimited saved charts layouts, so you can save as many charts layout as you want to. You have second-based intervals. You have alerts that don't expire. You have 4 times more data on the charts, 20,000 bars, and you have publishing invite-only indicators. So that's a quick overview of the things that all the plans have to offer. And if you scroll down and you go over here, you can compare each plan, and that will really give you a quick overview of all the features that the plans have. So I won't go over all the different options right now. I will scroll down quickly so you can see for yourself. And if you want to know exactly what all the differences are, you can just go to the link and see for yourself. But you see, there's a whole lot of features involved. So depending on your wishes, you can decide which plan is the best for you. And my advice would be just start off with the free plan. Then we go back to the main site again. You just click on products over here. Then you click on this option over here, Chart Plus. Click on it. And now you can see by default the Apple Inc. chart is loaded, but over here you can also select other charts. And for example, if you want to see the Bitcoin chart, you can type in BTC USD, and then you can select a chart for Bitcoin that you want to see. For example, if you trade on Bybit, you can select it, and then you see the Bitcoin chart for Bybit. And over here you can search for any other symbols that's for stocks, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. So that was basically the information that I want to give you in this video. And in other videos I will go more in depth on all the features that you have for Tradingview, how you can use it, how you can set it to dark mode, everything you need to know on how to work with Tradingview. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe and click on the bell. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and I hope to see you back again in another video.